Hi, I'm Henry, a volunteer kitty worshiper at Kitty Charm School, and I'm here today with Blue and Buckles. Hi, you two. You silly kittens. They're both out here playing together, huh? Aw, aren't you two so adorable? You're so tiny. Yeah. Buckles is completely sprawled out here, isn't that right? Yeah, you love it out here. Must be comfortable. And Blue. Blue, what are you doing? That's not food. What are you doing too? Aw. Look at you two sillies. Hanging out together. Yeah. Aw. You two are the cutest. Do you want to say goodbye? Yeah? You guys want to say goodbye? Buckles, what are you doing? What are you doing? Alrighty. Kitty Bell. Bye, Buckles. Bye, Blue. You two sillies.